Can you parallel park it?
Oh.
Oh, I'm loving this. This is brilliant. Look out the window.
Which window?
Office window.
Back in Pickering, it's not just full-sized classics turning heads. Sometimes the tiniest wheels create the biggest thrill.
Oh, with you.
That's reverse.
Oh, no. Oh, oh, yours is faster. Oh, no. I didn't want to crash into you. This has got, like, loads of power. I don't know why. I know. Bye, Dad. Grandad, do you want a ride? Go in the back. I love it. Speed bump. Iris, come here. Oh, no, straight off. That was really good. I mean, me and Emily are going to take these home, I think. Might take us a while. How long do you think? 15 miles home, isn't it? Yeah. At about 10 miles an hour. Yeah.
As the old saying goes, we're as mucked as brass. And taking pride of place in the showroom is a barn find Vauxhall Viva.
It's the first time I've looked at this. Rare bit of kit, this. Bags of potential. Those of you who are perhaps a little bit more observant will notice that there's a radiator missing.
Apparently that is in the boot.
Ah, is it? That's quite clean in there. Look at all this, look. Still got stickers on there. I tell you what, someone spent some money on this. Oh, well, it says it all, doesn't it? Owned by the current owner for 36 years. They are. You can tell straight away. It underwent an extensive and expensive restoration between the 80s and 90s. There you go. I ought to do this for a living, didn't I, really? Oh, this will do all right, this. What a proper little car. It takes a fair bit to impress me. I wouldn't say I've seen it all, but I've seen a fair bit. And normally speaking, I'm disappointed because people's descriptions of their cars tend to be... They get a little bit romantic with them, don't they? And they get a bit personal with them. And then you grow old with them and you tend to forget what is actually out there and available. I tell you what a proper little car. I know she wants some paint. Look, she's on. But it's only surfaced up, isn't it? It's nothing major, is it?
How much do you think it's worth?
First impressions, I may be way out. I haven't even looked at the guide. I'll have a look at the guide after I've opened my mouth. I think 20 grand.
But the current owner doesn't have diva demands for his Viva and has set the guide at half that price.
8 to 10.
Really?
I'm amazed. Oh, well, we'll see who's near on the day, won't we? I've just opened my big mouth and said 20, haven't I? Do you know what? 8 to 10,000 pounds. There should be an orderly queue of people waiting to see this car. You wait, I reckon that'll be a bit of a sleeper, that. Well, put it this way, if that comes at 8 grand, it's going in my garage.
We're in my garage for 8 grand.
We're all going to be lined up, aren't we? Right, anyone got 8 grand? And everyone's hand's going to go like that, aren't they? Everyone in the production crew, all the office staff, all the guys that come in and girls who come in on the telephones and the rest of it, even if they're not remotely interested in Vivas, if they've got any savvy, they're all going to go, whoa, aren't they? Yeah.
With the usual variety of lots on display, prospective buyers are taking the browsing business very seriously.
What attracts you to it?
I just want a project, really, and I want something that's fairly easy to do. And this looks like a good candidate.
And you don't see many of these knocking around anymore, do you?
That's another attraction for it, really, you know.
Say you were to buy it, what would be the first thing you'd do on it?
I'd get it running, make sure it's pretty safe, and I'd use it.
Not get it clean?
Well, yeah, I'd get it clean as well, obviously, yeah.
The auctions are rattling through, and the dusty old Vauxhall is proving you shouldn't judge a book by its cover.
The Viva GT, complete time warp, an unbelievably rewarding project for someone. 14,002, 14,005, 15,000, 15,005.
Currently at £15,500.
At 16,500, 16,005, 17,000 pounds.
But look, it's got 4 exit tailpipes, look.
That's just so you can lift it up like a wheelbarrow.
How rude, how rude.
17,500, 18,000.
It's 18 grand, so that's far surpassed what we thought it would do.
No, I thought it'd do 15. I do rate that car, though. That's a lot of money for a Viva, isn't it?
Are we all finished then? At 18,000 then for the first. 18,000 pound for the second. And a quarter, 18,250, Will, 18,250.
Got it.
18,250. Third and last time. Are we all done at £18,250?
18,250.
Wowzers. There you go. I told you I like that car, didn't I? There you go. It just proves it, doesn't it? Brilliant. Well done.
Next up, the multi-purpose miniatures.
Pumpkin picking. It could be for Dave. Dave's mobility. Dave, do you want this? It's got your name on it.
I know, it's great, isn't it? You were driving it, though, weren't you? Someone was.
Yeah, me and Amy were sat on it. We test drove them, so we know the work and the batteries are good. We were actually really shocked at how quickly they went, and they were they went straight away.
The 3-inch scale Sentinel steam wagon battery-powered lorry with trailer. It's lovely, isn't it? What a cracking bit of kit. Start me on, £500 I've got, £500 away, then 550, 600, 600, 650, £700. Third and last time. Provisional key, 700.
And as for its party pal,
3-inch scale AEC Matador battery-powered lorry with a car. Whereabouts, 500, 550, 600, £600. £600 all done, then provisionally 600.
the offer wasn't accepted, but it went on to sell at the timed auction for £650.
I've never actually been in the car because all the test runs Tim has done, I've ended up being on the end of the telephone in case of a breakdown and having to go out and help push. So I've just watched it going in and out of the driveway and up and down the road.
In rural Bedfordshire, Pauline Nola is getting ready for a moment she's been waiting for. A whole 2 years' wait, as it turns out. Along with husband Tim, they'll be taking the Vauxhall Viva GT out for Pauline's first spin.
It is an exciting day for me, yes. I'm hoping it doesn't break down, and I'm sure it'll be absolutely fine. Interesting to see how fast it can go, actually, because I believe it's quite a quick car. Off we go.
Your first ever drive in a Viva GT?
Yeah. Wow, it really accelerates well. Wow! God, it's fast.
Despite being on the lookout for a Magnum, it was the Viva GT that caught Tim's eye.
When I first went to Mathewson's to view the car, I met Paul and he said, that's going to be the car of the auction. It was clear that it was going to make more than the guide price. But it was the car I wanted. I ended up paying just over £18,000 for it.
Quite impressed by how smooth it is and how quiet it is, actually, for an old car.
Some people may say that it wasn't worth anything like that, especially in view of how much work has had to be done on it. But I made the decision that was the car I wanted to do next, so I just went ahead and bought it. That was it, really.
And the brakes work. We did take a long while doing the brakes, leading them and stuff, didn't we?
Tim didn't expect such an extensive rebuild, but along with Pauline's background in electronics engineering, they formed quite a team.
Overall, we both enjoy the engineering side of it.
I don't think you could do it without the support of your partner. There are many, many long hours spent outside, and it would be thankless if you were doing it alone without somebody being there helping and taking an interest in what it is you try and do.
You're being very nice to me today.
Well, it is true though, isn't it? This is nearly full time, and late into the evenings it would be lonely, and to be honest, I wouldn't do it. So this is the original Viva GT publicity document. It clearly shows a car exactly like this in Monaco white with all the detailing. All along I've been trying to recreate exactly what this car should look like. It's easy to cut corners and fit things that people might say, well, yes, that's of the period. But wherever I can, I'm trying to rebuild the car to be the same as it would have been when it left the forecourt originally.
Working on it together did have some difficulties. The wiring we've had problems with, we've had problems with the interior, but we've worked through them and we've got a nice car.
It deserves the work being done to it to preserve it for the future, because these cars are really, really rare now. Is that somebody appreciating?
Yeah. Somebody was shooting at the car. That's really good, isn't it? I tell you, it looks lovely. Everybody loves it. It's nice. People appreciate it. It makes it all worthwhile.